everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called It's True by Mercer Mayer. Little critter, Mom said, if you did your homework, maybe have a cupcake. I did, I said. You did not, yelled your little sister. That's not true. Is so, I said. I just hadn't finished all of it yet. The next day, I walked little sister and Bunny to school. It is true that big kids like you get to stay up really late and watch TV? Asked Bunny. That is way cool. I nodded my head, yes, feeling very cool. That's not true, said little sister. Is so, I said. I could stay up later than you. So, it's kind of true. Did you feed the dog? Mom asked. Yes, I did. Oh, no, that's not true, said the little sister. It is so true, I said. I gave the dog extra food yesterday. He doesn't need any more today. Did you brush your teeth? Mom asked. At bedtime, I nodded yes. Then why is your toothbrush dry? She asked. I used my finger, but I didn't even believe that. I didn't believe that. Little sister and I lost her doll. Little sister and I lost her doll. Little sister said I lost her doll. That wasn't true. I didn't even play with it. The dog did. Mom made me find it anyway. Help her find it anyway. Crittaville Air Show. The next day, Miss Kitty told us about the air show happening that weekend. My grandpa has a real biplane. I said, wow, said Henrietta. That's so cool. Is your grandpa flying in the show? Asked Gator. I was about to explain them a small model. Everyone was so excited to ride on it, I couldn't tell them the truth. On my way home, I realized that not telling the whole truth was really the same as lying. But how could I tell everyone the truth about the biplane? There was one thing I had to do. I packed my suitcase and sneaked out the back door. Where are you going? Asked Grandpa. I'm running away, I said. I'll give you a little ride and you can tell me why. I told Grandpa the whole truth. It seems that you have learned a very important lesson, little critter, said Grandpa. In the Bible, God says the truth will set you free. If you don't tell the truth, you'll never be happy. The more I talked to Grandpa, the better I felt. God was right. Telling the truth really didn't make you feel good. All of a sudden, I just knew what to do. At the air show, my friends ran over as soon as they saw me. Which one is your grandpa's plane? Asked Gator. Is it the blue one with the yellow stars? Asked Gabby. I shook my head. It's right there. That. I opened my backpack and pulled out my grandpa's model biplane. It was time to tell the truth. I said this is the biplane. This is my plane. Biplane. A model biplane. So that part is true. But I lied when I told you that it was a plane you could fly in. I'm really sorry. My friends forgave me because I told the whole truth. Miss Kitty was proud of me. Grandpa did tricks with the biplane. Everyone got to fly it too. The biplane was just as much fun as the big plane, using the remote control. That night, I gave my family a big hug. I love you, I said, and that is the whole truth. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!